snack break.
Yep.
We are not vegans, but meat is waiting in the car.
This is the part of the woods that if something fall down, like this tree, they probably won't move it forever. It belongs to the nature.
Yeah. That's a nice story. I hope it's true.
That's my story.
Oh. He's almost 2 meters tall. Look at this tree.
So now it's time for my point of view. Bumpy ride. So we are going back after visiting Vinatovača, and ladies first. Oh. And we are heading back to our camp. So it's basically not a camp, it's our car with chairs. For now, yeah. And oh yeah, and some great meat.
By the way, this road used to be an ancient Roman road, so the bits of it for 2,000 years remained until today. It was quite a bumpy ride for us, and imagine riding this road without a suspension and on wooden wheels. That could have happened to us just by mistake.
I have a feeling that
Is it the wrong road?
no. That we have maybe 80% of downhill and the rest is uphill. today. Overall, yeah. Perfect circle.
Right turn, it would end up being vice versa.
Oh yeah. yeah. So this is the right road. Really? So, choose your road.
This is really a mind-twisting game. I know we shouldn't go there.
Okay.
So, either that or that, but this one looks nicer.
I think it's that way.
Yeah? great one.
Yeah, for sunset and barbecue.
Have you ever seen something like that?
No. Hija. Este. So, now it's time to find some fire sticks. Ooh. Another one.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the middle